Hello learners. Hello learners. I am Dr. P.S. Segadi, Assistant Professor, Vijayanagar College of Education, Hubballi, Karnataka State. Today I am going to teaching and discussing about educational technology. Mainly in the education technology concept, meaning as well as concept, meaning as well as definitions. Move on to some lines. Educational technology, sometimes shortened to edutech or edtech, is a wide field. Therefore, one can find many definitions, some of which are conflicting. Here, two things are there: edutech and edtech. These are the abbreviations of the educational technology. The educational technology or edutech or edtech, both these are vast. See, since time, even a simple paper, whenever we are using for the teaching purposes to make the learning amongst the students, it also be the part of the educational technology. If we consider the role playing, it is also the part of the educational technology. Earlier, 20 30 years ago, whenever we are using the radio, it is also part of the educational technology. If you consider the number of aspects like role playing model, that is also the educational technology. In the recent time, online teaching or use of the social media, use of the TV as a best equipment to make the student to learn. These are all the aspects of the education technology. Even the programmed instruction, in the recent trend system of the learnings, they are going to be changing with as the technology is advancing. So, therefore, education technology as an academic field can be considered either as a design science or as a collection of different research interests addressing the fundamental issues of learning, teaching, and social organizations. So, certainly, the education technology deals with the academic field, mainly in designing the science, or it is also called as design science, because the science, it is a systematized body of the knowledge. It has its own processes and the steps. These will be moved one after the other in a sequential or in a orderly manner way. So therefore, sometimes we are also facing the behavioral problem of the, or mainly the learning problem amongst the student. This will also be addressed with the help of the educational technology. And teaching or the instructional task or the social organization, that is a classroom is a social organization or the social system here. The whatever the teacher is encountering the problems, that will be the main and fundamental problems. These will be addressed with the help of the educational technology. Educational technology as a practice refers to any form of teaching and learning that makes use of the technology. You can make best use of or diversified use of the teaching methodology. You can take the students to the laboratory. You can make best uses of the demonstration method, or you can visit to some of the best scientific important places, or any kind of the teaching educationally important places, so that the learning will be used with the help of the technology here. Nevertheless, there are a few features on which most researchers and practitioners might agree. Though there are number of contradictory views or some opposing views, even after that, most of the educationists or the technologists agreeing that there are some common features that exist in the concept of the educational technology. Use of technology is principled one. So we have to adhere to these principles. Without these principles, the technology or the education technology, it never move advance. Technology means the systematic application of scientific knowledge to practical task. Here, teaching is a practical task, learning is a practical task, or the usage of any kind of the methodology, implementation of the methodology, or evaluation, or administration. These are all the aspect comes under the technology. These are the practical tasks. These practical tasks will be carried out with the help of the systematized body of the knowledge called as scientific knowledge. Therefore, education technology is based on theoretical knowledge drawn from the different disciplines such as, namely, communication, education, psychology, sociology, philosophy, artificial intelligence, computer science, etc. Plus experiential knowledge drawn from the educational practices. There are a number of subjects like psychology, sociology, recent one, artificial intelligence or computer science or education communications. We can name the number of disciplines or the subject. The thing is that we have to draw out, or we have to take the theoretical knowledge from any of these subjects. Along with that, on one side theoretical knowledge is there, on the other side the practice, education practice, whatever the teacher undergoes or experiencing, that uh, experiences knowledge along with the theoretical knowledge will be integrated, and they will be combined together, and this makes the educational technology. Education technology aims to improve education. This is very broader view, that the in all the sectors or the branches of the education, this education technology wants to improvise it. Technology should facilitate learning processes. You can take any kind of the methodology or methods or the approaches or any kind of the way of the teaching or models, and increase performance of the education system as it regards to effectiveness and or efficiency. You can take the administration, you can take the any demonstration work, or you can take the any laboratory, or you can visit to any kind of the scientific important or educational important, or any kind of the places which is having the educational important. Definitely there it facilitates the learning. Not only that, apart from this one, it also improves all the sectors of the educational system. The Encyclopedia of Education Technology says it is a systematic iterative process for designing instruction. See how the instruction will be delivered. It has its own steps. You can say, for example, of IV's model. This is a recent trend on which the lesson plan of the each teacher will be preparing or training used to improve the performance. Michael Spector, in his views, education technology involves the disciplined application of knowledge for the purpose of improving learning, instruction, and or performance. As we have discussed about the improvisation, this technology certainly improves the learning. It has its own aim, instruction, and performance. EdTech's definition has evolved over the years as a variation of ways of dealing with learning processes, a conceptual framework, theory and practice, and the latest study and ethical practices of dealing with the technological processes and resources. So recent trend is the we are relying upon the most of the technological gadgets. Say for example, we are using computer, LCD projector, and we are using the online teaching methodologies. So many resources are also we are using, apart from that of the regular or conventional type of the learning processes, and the theories of the learning processes, and also practice of the learning processes. Definitions as given by AECT abbreviation, Association for Educational Communication and Technology. This quotes the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. No need of the further explanation, as I have explained it already. It denoted instructional technology as the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of processes and resources for learning. So, in this statement, instructional technology on the other side called it as a education technology. Here, on one aspect, I wanted to focus evaluation of process and resources for learning. One side planning will be there, another side planning for the instruction is there, on the other side education side is there, usage of the teaching aids or materials will be there, or what kind of the methodology approaches will be there, to what extent these made the student to learn, how is the degree of the learning or level of the learning. These all will be assessed with the help of the processes and resources of the learning. Education technology refers to all valid and reliable applied educational sciences such as equipment as well as processes, procedures, as we have already said it, that are derived from scientific research and in a given context may refer to theoretical, algorithmic, or heuristic processes. It does not necessarily imply physical technology. You don't imagine only use of the technological gadget like even the mobile recent days, or the computer or the LCD projector in the olden days, use of the whatever these tabs, stone tabs were used during the Vedic period, and even blackboard. These are all the part and parcel of the teaching, but these not at all the physical technology. This includes the planning action of the teacher, execution of the say for example different type of the methodologies, approaches, models, user and preparation of the teaching aid concerned to a particular concept which is very much suitable of one, how the teacher is going to improvise